Here we are at Dreamland. Say hello. Hi. Why are you giving me a blank stare, Goofies? Okay, so they created telephones.
Yes.
And this is the TV right there.
TV.
Hi. And then these are stools, tables, Okay, what else? They made a house of bricks.
Oh my gosh, Viola.
And then there is Viola hanging down from a tree, as per usual. Hello.
Okay. Alright.
She's making tiny tables, miniatures. Wow, it's a Amuluquis. Another amazing structure. These kids are so creative. Little villages that they created. They don't mess around.
They put trees and flowers over there.
Yeah, trees and flowers. That's amazing.
There's a little table outside the house. Oh, look.
Tiny table right there.
They're populating the house. This one.
Is that a grave right there?
Yes. It's a house with a roof.
Oh, sorry, that was a little offensive. Wow, good job, Grace.
That one has stuff in the living room.
Do you say please? Oh, look, there's a TV in here. They sure know how to make stuff. Wow. This is their whole structure. Today they don't have school,
so they made a village. They made a village.
Oh, look at that table. That's really good.
Yeah. This one they made clothes and a little baby.
You take my picture. You take this baby.
Yeah, that baby.
Are we going to use the word please?
Oh, that's funny.